Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to invest in GTA 6. Alright, so let's begin. If you're interested in potentially benefiting from the success of the game through the stock market, I'll walk you through the process using Trading 212. Rockstar Games is the developer behind GTA 6, and Rockstar Games is owned by Take-Two Interactive, which is a publicly traded company. Because Take-Two is listed on the stock market, investors can buy shares of the company rather than investing directly in GTA 6 itself. If you look at Take-Two Interactive's historical stock performance, you can also see how the company's share price has changed over the years. The release and success of previous GTA titles had a major impact on the company's business, but it's important to remember that past performance doesn't guarantee similar results in the future. So if you want to invest in the company behind GTA 6, you'll need to use a supported stock trading platform. In this example, I'll be using Trading 212. Before investing, make sure the platform is available in your country and that you understand the risks involved. Once your Trading 212 account is created and verified, the next step is to add money to your account. From the main dashboard, click on main pot option. Here, look for the option to deposit and select it. You'll then see the available funding methods for your account. The options can vary depending on your country and currency. For example, you may be able to fund your account using a bank transfer or an eligible card. Choose your preferred method, enter the amount you want to invest, and follow the instructions shown in the app. Once the funds have been added and are available, you can search for the company you want to invest in. Now, use the search bar and enter Take-Two Interactive software. Make sure you're selecting the correct publicly traded company before continuing. Open the company's stock page to view its current price, chart, and other available information. From here, you can select Buy to start placing your order. Depending on the platform and market conditions, you may be able to enter either the amount of money you want to invest or the number of shares you want to purchase. Make sure you've checked the price, amount, and any applicable fees or conditions before confirming. If the stock market is currently closed, you may still be able to submit an order depending on the order types available to you. In that situation, your order may be scheduled for execution when the relevant market opens. Before confirming, carefully review the order details. If everything looks correct, submit the buy order and wait for it to be processed. Once the order has been executed, you'll be able to see your Take-Two investment in the investments section. When you want to sell your shares later, go back to your investments and select your Take-Two position. From there, choose sell, enter the amount or number of shares you want to sell, and review the order. After you submit the sell order, it will be processed according to the market and order conditions. Once the sale is completed, the proceeds will become available in your Trading 212 account, subject to any applicable settlement requirements. If you then want to transfer the available cash to your bank account, return to the main account section and select Withdraw. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, choose the available withdrawal method, and confirm the request, and that's it. So that's all for this video.